Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Hornsby on a T1 North Shore and Northern Line. In front of me we have a rear forecast T34, which will become the front four cars just terminated. It will depart for a Central Fire at Macquarie University service in a few moments. That was one number 6 MB2, leading loco is NR101, followed by NR116 and NR86 in the US Indian Pacific livery. We have a Newcastle interchange service arriving on platform number 5, front half H7. Correction guys, H7 is the only set. And make sure please subscribe to USRL's Trains Vlogs as well. And that was T34 and T47 departed platform number 4 for a Penify at Macquarie University service, stopping next at Normanhurst. That was Waratah A32 for a North Sydney service. Next up is Waitawa. We have a terminating Hornsby service arriving on platform number 4. Front half is T80. Won't be able to tell you rear 4 cars of that, whilst we have front half T101 arriving on platform number 2. The rear 4 cars is T6. And that was T32 and T61 departed platform number 1 in Hornsby for a Central via North Sydney service. Next up is Waitara. We have a Series 1 Waratah A61 now departing platform number 1 Central via Gordon and North Sydney service, stopping next at Waitara, followed by Wahroonga. Warraree, Taramara, Pimple, Gordon did all stations to Central via North Sydney A61. T39 and T80 now departing platform number 4 Penrith via Macquarie University service. Next up is Normanhurst at all stations to Epping, followed by Macquarie University, Macquarie Park, North Ryde, Chatswood, Artarmon, St Leonard's, North Sydney, Milsons Point, Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, then it continues on to Penrith.
The train on platform 3 goes to Central via Stratford. First stop Epping, then Stratford and Central.
And that was H35 departed platform number 3 for a Sydney terminal service, stopping next at Epping, followed by Strathfield and Central. Waratah A23 now departing platform number 2, ready to head up to the sidings. We have a Tangawa arriving on platform number 1, Central via Gordon service. Front half T6. And a rear 4 cars. I'll get the camera around. Yep. Rear 4 cars is T101. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.